up? Welcome back to my channel. Before you guys think anything, I am wearing a shirt. I decided to do something very fast and simple, but still like a pop of color. Beautiful for the springtime. As long as I keep making these tutorials, we're still in spring. I literally worked out of one palette today. 2 colors is all it took. I decided to create something very fast. This look is very bold yet subtle at the same time. Flirty yet shy. Ooh. Do you like that? Do you like that? I like that. Let me do it again. Flirty yet shy. The second time's a charmer. I did lather myself in highlight, which I normally don't do, but I'm actually loving this kind of look. I don't know why I never do it. Like, I look fucking amazing. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your life to watch my video. So to get on with it, if you guys are interested in how I created this look, then keep on watching.
Hey guys, what's up? So for eyeshadow base today, I'm working out of the lip palette from A.b.h. I'm taking that bright white color with this dome buffing brush from A.b.h Cosmetics, and I'm just passing it all over my lid. I'm not trying to bring it too high into my brow. Then I'm going to take my finger and pass over the whole color. That way I can pick up any excess product and really further melt it into my eye. I'm taking the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm taking that lavender color with the flat synthetic brush from Sephora, and I'm packing this color really heavily all over the eye, even up to the crease. I don't pass the crease, but just up to the crease. Alright, now I'm taking chocolate syrup and a Morphe blending brush, and I'm just passing through my crease just to blend out the edges. Alright, now I'm taking the Carli Bybel palette in that deep burgundy shade. I'm taking a flat defining brush from Morphe, and I'm packing this color really closely to my lashes to add a little bit of depth. I did not want to do eyeliner because I didn't want to make the look dramatic, so this was the soft version for me. For mascara, I'm taking the Super Fan Mascara by Smashbox and just giving my lashes a very light coat just to give the falsie something to stick to. Alright, for lashes, I'm taking the Dodo D115 lashes. Mira que linda. I went back in with the white chocolate palette and took Indulge with this very precise brush, and I just used it as a brow bone highlight and an inner corner highlight. Onto the cara. Taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and just passing that all over my face. Yes, guys, I only used one primer today. For foundation, I did it off camera, but I used these two, which I will list the name and colors down below for you guys. For concealer, I'm actually taking the Makeup Forever Stick Foundation. The number as well will be down below because I don't remember it. But I'm just putting it in my normal highlighting areas and under my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it out with this tapered synthetic buffing concealer brush. That was a very long name. So between blending the concealer, you guys are going to see me go in with the stippling brush. I'm using this brush with a little bit of foundation on it to blend the edges of the highlight. I didn't want any harsh lines left from that highlight, so I just go in and really buff my entire face with that brush. That way everything is literally smooth, airbrushed. No harsh lines. Bomb as hell. To set everything, I'm taking the new Becca translucent powder with the same brush that I used to buff out the concealer and really packing this into my skin. I'm taking the LA Girl concealer in I don't know what color, but I'm placing it right onto the brush instead of on my face. And then I start to blend out this color on my cheeks. This is my perfect way to get the perfect amount of product onto my skin. Psych, nah, you guys saw that. I kind of messed up a little bit and I had to buff that out real quick. But it's better than just placing it onto your skin. That way you can really control how much you put on. Alright, to set the cream, I'm taking the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and for today I'm just taking Crown, and I'm just passing it very lightly over the areas that we cream contoured. Going back in with the Bybel palette, I'm taking that deep burgundy shade, and I'm passing that all over my lower lash line very messily. I wanted an airbrush blown out kind of under eye. I did not want it to be precise whatsoever, just to add a little depth, but not too much. Going back in with the same mascara and just giving my lower lashes a quick coat. Who can do their lower mascara without a mirror? Like, and not be up close and personal? Because I can't. I always wind up going back to the mirror and being so up close for no reason. Alright, I'm taking that pink highlighter down below and I'm just using it as a highlight today. And guys, I swear the Bybel palette for the highlighters are so underrated. Not a lot of people talk about them. They're absolutely stunning. It's just, I don't understand why nobody wants to talk about them because they're amazing. For blush, I'm taking the A.b.h Cosmetics blush palette. I don't know which number this is. I honestly feel like there's no number. But I'm taking that peachy pink color. Very little, just popping it on my cheeks. Nothing serious. For lips, I am taking the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Muse. I can never get tired of this color. So I popped on the Buxom Shiny Liquid Lipstick on top of what we just did, and the color I used was Come to Dolly. That's it, guys. So if you enjoyed this kind of look, very fast, simple, yet gorgeous kind of look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out. And if you are not part of the team, please subscribe. That way you guys can see my videos every time I upload, and I'll see ya in my next one.